help you?
We found your fire alarm in the trash chute.
That's not mine.
Yes, it is.
How do you know?
The next time you want to dump a fire alarm in the trash chute, don't wrap it in a blanket that says property of Phoebe Buffet, not Monica.
Okay, do you have a search warrant? Because the last time I checked, this was still America.
Please reattach this. It's against the law to disconnect them.
Fine. But please, God, tell me how to stop it from going off.
Just press the reset button under the plastic cup.
There's a reset button? Oh, thank you. Oh, there's a reset button?